and welcome to another episode of Aaj Ka AQI. Today we are standing outside a bus stop in Houspass. You must be wondering why, but we'll come to that part later. But first, let's check the air quality here. The nearest air pollution quality monitoring station is in Aurobindo Ashram Mall, and it shows that the AQI today is about 70, which is at the level of satisfactory. The September has just ended, and we are just a couple of weeks away from that time of the year when Delhi's air pollution prices would be at its peak. And during that time, everyone would be blaming stubble burning in states like Punjab and Haryana or Delhi's weather conditions. But do you know what's the topmost contributor to Delhi's air pollution? Research after research have shown that it's vehicular emissions. Yes, vehicles contribute to 51% of Delhi's air pollution crisis. So what's the most logical solution to deal with the vehicular emissions? It's to push for electronic vehicles or more dependency on public transport. But do you know, in last 1 year, the number of public buses in Delhi has reduced by 2,200. This is because the old buses have been taken off the road and they haven't been replaced by new buses. So what's the reason that the Delhi government has not been able to fix such a simple problem? That's the question we need to ask from the government. And this is what we are trying to do at News Laundry's Fight to Green campaign. Because the air pollution crisis is not a seasonal story for us. It's a year-round thing which impacts all of us. You can also become a part of this campaign by scanning this QR code flashing on your screen.